Now, Britain's workforce is facing a long-term decline driven by rising ill health and an ageing population. Even with potential improvements in healthcare, experts warn that reversing this trend may be difficult. Here's more on how illness is impacting the UK economy and its job market. Take a look.
Britain's workforce participation is set to fall to a record low in the coming decades, driven by an aging population and rising levels of long-term illness. The Office for Budget Responsibility projects that by the 2060s, just 61.8% of those over 16 will be in work or looking for a job, the lowest rate on record. This decline breaks a decades-long trend where workforce participation hovered between 62% and 63% since the 1970s. Health-related inactivity is a major factor, with nearly 2.8 million people currently too sick to work. Rising ill health is keeping millions out of the UK workforce. The number of working-age Britons inactive due to long-term illness has increased to 6.6%, up from 5% in 2019. Mental health conditions and chronic pain are driving these numbers, with 66% of health-related benefit claimants classified as unable to work. Since the pandemic, 1.6 million have started claiming sickness benefits with no requirement to seek employment. The Institute for Fiscal Studies warns that achieving the government's 80% employment target will be difficult without reversing this health crisis. The government's strategy to boost the economy by reducing NHS waiting lists may not yield the expected results. The OBR states that even significant health improvements will have a limited effect on workforce participation. Their analysis shows only a 28% chance that a working-age person in poor health will rejoin the labour force if they recover. Meanwhile, healthy life expectancy has fallen by 1.7 years for men and 1.9 years for women since the pandemic. The UK's ageing population and rising illness rates suggest that workforce participation will continue to decline, posing long-term challenges for the economy. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.